4 signs your girlfriend is using you. If you notice any of these 4 things I won't mention for this video, for your girlfriend body, dope her fast, not waste time. Even if they plan to marry her tomorrow, cancel the marriage and dope her. Number 1, a woman who thinks it's your responsibility to make her happy. It's not your responsibility to make anybody happy. You are not responsible for the happiness of anybody. So if she always dey complain, say, I'm not happy, this relationship now just be like, say, when I dey single, I prefer I pass this relationship. They make me dey feel bad. They make me dey feel sad. I'm not happy in this relationship. If she constantly dey complain, na sign say she dey find way to use you. She won't make you feel guilty. She won't make you feel guilty so that you feel still up. Now you now call it, okay, well, how do I make you happy? In that way of you trying to make her happy, now then she got to use her for you. So not make that mistake. You can only make people that they happy already. You can only contribute to people's happiness. You not make anybody happy for this world. If God will create a woman, not make woman happy. The one where they give black skin, go they buy bleaching cream to bleach them. Why you feel so if you go make woman happy? The hair where God give her, she buy back throw away. Go they buy what you bone they wear for head. Now you won't make that person happy. So you cannot make a woman happy. You can only contribute. So if she dey complain, say she's always sad in that relationship, dope her. Make she go find who go make her happy. You know understand? Then number 2, sign your girlfriend is using you. She's always comparing you to other people. She always dey talk about how our other guys which she know, they very smart. So now she want to make you they look dull. She get problem with the way you look. All of a sudden, girl will be say you start to the date now. She don't dey complain about the way you dress. That's the number 1 sign of a girl who won't use you. She won't use her for you now. Before she use her for you, she won't make you first feel less of yourself. She won't reduce your ego. She won't make you feel insecure about yourself. You know understand? She won't make you feel insecure about yourself. You know they try. She know other people where they try more than you. She know a lot of girls will be saying their boyfriends they do heaven and earth. For all of a sudden now, you know they do anything. So now she want to compare you with other people. That's number 1. Another sign of gay. We won't use you. Dump her. You know that nobody is better than you. If she get anybody will better pass you, she will not settle with you. If you better for the farm for up, you know, we'll come down, go carry a Greek picking shop. You know that, so don't let any girl make her they feel like say she be in your life now. She they do you favor. No girl they do you favor. This type of girl they make her they look like say for them to be in your life should be happy. It's supposed to they celebrate. They happy, they jump, say because of say she's your girlfriend. All these girls not really hot the way you they think. You go feel say get hot too. You go feel say this girl is very very hot. That your girlfriend feel say she hot. Oh yeah, break up with her first. And then you go know say that girl na gadus, say 300. She go there 1 month, no boyfriend. 2nd month, no boyfriend. 3rd month, no boyfriend. 1 year, she still dey single. Don't be say she not dey get guys, but they pound down. They mold that to beam. That time now where you tell live now. You call for it, man. I mean, I don't get joy. The club police active. Once you lose God to 12 man like this, and I'm moody. Before you go realize, and they use that for you, they don't mood. They don't mood. They don't mood that place. Kata beam. So another sign your girlfriend is using you is comparison. You know that she always they compare you to other people. They make you they feel less of yourself. They make you they feel insecure. People with they better pass you. She know a lot of people will better pass you. You know that's so dump her. Dump her, make she go find, make she go meet those people which she feel say they better pass you. You know understand? Number 3 sign of girl where they use you. Now girl will be say she know they give you doggy. Love. They love me, no action, no proof. You know understand? They love, I love you. And they no sex after marriage, she won't use them for you. Now girl won't use you be that. And you got really agree. That's not the work or not let any girl use them for you. Say, make you know but you go to spend your money. You go to spend your money. You got to say no sex after marriage. And you mumuna, you got greed. That's not the work who. Now so you go to agree, you go to pay the bills one another man. Like one another man they go pound down. Beam. To make beam. You don't want to don't make beam. And you like the fish it too fresh. Not try am. If you don't give you doggy, don't be relationship. Now doggy and relationship. Number one sign of say you and person dey relationship na say you dey collect the doggy steady. So when she go dey tell you, they say no doggy till after marriage. You don't know say. To make me, you know that number four sign. The first sign your girlfriend is using you. The conversation is always leading to favor. She always want favor from you. She know they call you normally to say, Geh Geh, how you doing? How far your side? Nothing like that. You just say she always wants something from you. Even if you tell which they call to check up on you, now say at the end of the conversation, she go still ask for favor. After my sub just finna beg, sub me. I need money for her. The conversation must lead to something. And they tell me, say, if man want to improve his life, now the word then that's okay. I don't tire now. I need shit. I want to improve my life. The first thing I go do now to abandon woman, quit anything will be say related to woman, make her focus on my life, build my life. But if woman will upgrade her life, she wants a better life. She dey look for man we go help her build her life, which she won't collect from take climb. You see the thing now. So women are in what? Are in business. Why men they in relationship? Now man they love, woman not they love. Now man they love. Even Bible self talk am. It say make man do it. Make it love your wife the way Christ love church. Not be so that talk why woman submit to the man. So you see that man they love, woman not they love. Woman not they love. Woman they calculate her love based on the value you are able to bring. If girls they rate boys now based on the value where the boy fit contribute to, not really say anything. The value is always about money. Money. So anytime the conversation always leads to maybe I want this, I want that, I want this, I want that. She's not contributing anything to your life. Drop her, make she go. Now useless girlfriend be that. I don't really know this video not too long. If you watch the video to this level, if you watch this video to this level, write my name in capital letter. Geh Geh. Which I talk last for this video. Geh Geh.
You can't lose yourself in a relationship because you're going to miss you. At one point in time, you're going to go, wow, what happened to me? Sometimes you just need to be by yourself to collect your thoughts. It's an overwhelming thing, especially if the other person is making you feel responsible for their happiness. That's a toxic relationship if you have to be responsible for somebody else's happiness.
Comparison is almost a sin, especially when we're comparing what we have with others in a way that is belittling of what we have. In a world of social media, it's become so difficult. Everyone showcases things they don't even have at times, and then people who see it are looking at this perfect image of some perfection that didn't exist for a purpose. And yet we begin to think what I have is nothing. I don't have a spouse like this. I don't have children like this. I don't have a home like this. I don't have money like this. A lot of it is material.
Just say no to sex with him and see the human being that you are dating. It is when most times you remove sex from the way of that relationship that you think it's blossoming and you are enjoying every day, that you actually realize that there is nothing else to that relationship that you people are having together. You will discover that all you people call relationship is sex.
Money, I want to buy sushi, I want to eat.
I'm not trying to divide. You're asking for the money. What is money? Follow quality online. I can find it. You asking for money,
Chief,
right?
let me tell you something, Don't try to use that format for me. You don't want to give me the money. Just say you don't want to give me the money.
Oh my God. Maybe this one's not a format.
Just say I don't give me the money.
No, calm down. One guy come and meet me yesterday. Calm down. Hey, let me talk.
Do not ask me questions, okay?
Let me talk, please. Let me talk. Oh my God. You asking for money.
If you want to ask yourself questions, answer your questions yourself. Don't ask me. I asked you for money. You said I should call my account number. Now you're not asking me questions. Why is it that anytime somebody asks you something, you always use something to cover it up? Why?
No, you asking for money. Calm down now.
Why are you asking me to define money?
This is if I something. Hey, calm down. You asking for money. You ask somebody for something. That person tell you to define the thing that you ask him. What is money?
Like and subscribe.